Alright, I'm very excited for this.
Unboxing a box.
But it's a Nintendo Switch 2.
Casually opening it, how should not be open?
A box with purple tape.
No, we're unboxing a box with red tape.
No,
on.
it's blue.
No, it's rainbow.
No, it's purple.
That's not how it works.
Oh yeah, well I just did it.
Nintendo Switch 2 out. Whatever this thingy is.
No, give it to the ASMR.
All right.
Oh, I still need to open it.
In the box. Oh, I can't
Alright. She'll open that up. We'll look at this later. Just a charger. And I guess a plug into the wall. So nice, pretty nice. Says Nintendo logo.
Why is it still different than the one
Here's another cord. There's a lot of cords. So here's this. Oh, very nice. One of these, it's like where the Nintendo goes into. Dock. I mean, I guess there's no real, like, assembly part. But I guess I'll show you all the parts. So here are the Joy-Cons. It's basically the same as the other ones, except they have little magnets. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Oh, it feels also very good. Very nice, good blue color. And last but not least, the Nintendo Switch itself. Yeah. Hold up, wait, that's actually very big.
All right, Nintendo Switch 2. It's massive.
This is the Nintendo Switch 1. Very nice, very nice. And this is the Nintendo Switch 2. That is very big.
It's massive. ASMR, guys. Everyone.
Oh yes.
It feels pretty good. And then back here, you have to press these little things. Okay. Take them out. And then these. I think maybe they're like. They like go on it. Oh, you have to press this little button thing on the back. It like pushes this thing forward to push off. And then there's a C button. I don't know what that does. On the top, power button. Oh, it turned on.
All right, you are fired. Do you even know how to use scissors?
anything flick on it? Hey, no snatching. Give it back right now.